Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. She going to the market? Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. They completed their homework. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. I playing cricket. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. We did the zoo yesterday. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. He a new bicycle. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. It raining now? Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. You very smart. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. The sun in the east. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. She a doctor. Option A is the correct answer. Question 10. They in the garden. Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. I have lived here 2015. Option A is the correct answer. Question 12. He reading a book now. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. We watching TV. Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. She completed her task. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. The birds flying. Option B is the correct answer.